Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shemstar Global School. This is Nabila Fatima. In this video, we are going to start a new chapter from social and political life, and the name of the chapter is Institutional Representation of Democracy. The first topic under this chapter is Universal Adult Franchise. So now let us know about Universal Adult Franchise. Universal Adult Franchise means all the citizens above the age of 18 years, irrespective of their caste, creed, gender, religion, are given equal right to vote. So it means that all the people of a country above the age of 18 years, irrespective of their caste. Here caste means Brahman, that is priest, Kshatriya, warriors, Vaishyas, merchant, Shudras, peasants, commoners or servants, or untouchables, that is SC or ST. All are given equal right to vote. Irrespective of their creed. Creed means whatever belief they are having. Irrespective of the religion. We all know that there are different religions in our country, and all religion has got equal right to vote, whether it is Jainism, Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam, Christianity, Judaism or Parsi. And irrespective of the gender. Gender means where that person is male or female. All are given equal right to vote under the system of Universal Adult Franchise. Now, Universal Adult Franchise is also known as Universal Adult Suffrage. Both are same. In the past, right to vote was not given to all. If we talk about the past, we'll come to know that earlier all the people do not have right to vote. Only propertied people and males had right to vote. Propertied people means those who owned property or land. Suffragette movement started in 19th and 20th century. This movement started in 19th and 20th century where women also demanded right to vote. New Zealand was the first country to grant Universal Adult Franchise. So New Zealand became the first country to grant Universal Adult Franchise to its citizens. In India, all the people are given equal right to vote. When Constitution was made in our country and people started voting, from that time, everyone has got equal right to vote in our country. Universal Adult Franchise is based on one man, one vote. In Universal Adult Franchise, one person can give one vote and value of each vote is equal, whether that vote is given by Prime Minister of a country or it is given by a common person. So students, in this video we had studied all about Universal Adult Franchise. Please see the video carefully, and if you have problem in any topic, then please ask from me by putting your questions in the comment section. Thank you.